Have you ever wanted your image on your Samsung Galaxy phone to look even more beautiful and unique? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily add a frame to the images you want to set as your wallpaper on your home or lock screen. Learn how to personalize your phone with just a few simple steps and make your wallpaper exactly how you've always wanted it. So here's how to do it. First, what you need to do is find the gallery on your phone and open it. Once you're in the gallery, find the image you want to set as your home or lock screen wallpaper. After selecting the image, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Immediately, from the menu that appears, select the Set as Wallpaper option. Once you've done that, choose whether you want to set the image on the home screen, lock screen, or both. I will choose Lock and Home Screen. After selecting, now in this section, to set the frame, you will see the Frame option at the bottom of the screen. Tap it, and it will open different frame shapes that you can apply to your image. Shapes like hearts, circles, squares, and many others will be available, so you can choose the one that best suits your style. Once you're done selecting, you can position the image within the frame to suit you best. Then tap the Color option and choose the color you want to set around the frame. Here, you'll have the option to choose from various colors, or you can use the Color Picker button to precisely select the shade that suits you the most. Once you're done with that, tap Done in the top right corner of the screen to save the changes. Now you can return to the home or lock screen depending on where you set the image, and if you've done everything correctly, you will see that the frame on the image looks exactly how you chose it, with the desired shape and color that you set. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.